everyone, welcome back to Homemade by I Baking with My Daughter episode 2. Today we are going to bake banana chocolate chip cookies. Here are the ingredients. 2 cups of plain flour. 1 cup of soft brown sugar, 2 ripe bananas, 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 55 grams of salted butter, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mash or puree the bananas. You can also find the list of ingredients at the end of the video. In a separate bowl, cream the butter using spatula or hand mixer. Add brown sugar to the butter. Add the banana puree. Mix vanilla bean paste, then set aside. In a separate bowl, mix flour, baking powder, baking soda, and cornstarch. Oopsie, I made a mess. Add flour mixture to the banana mixture. Mix, mix, mix. Please read the description box for more tips. Oopsie, I made a mess again.
You should have done it slowly. It's gonna be hard for me to mix.
Wait, did I show it?
I don't know. You just dump it.
That's all you remember? Wait, I actually showed it for real.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I dumped it. Cover with plastic wrap and put in the fridge for 30 minutes. Wash your hands for 20 seconds before you form the cookie dough into a ball. You can form the cookie dough into a ball in 3 different ways. We will show you how. I had fun forming this ball because we get to roll it like Play-Doh. This is Mom's favorite way of forming a ball because it isn't sticky or messy. Bake at 160 degrees for 18 minutes. Let it cool completely on a cooling rack. Serve and enjoy! I hope your kids will like this. See you next Sunday! If you want more episodes of Baking with My Daughter, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment. Paalam! Bye!